Today we have picked up 3 carbon fiber bits for the interior that's going to spice up your E90X platform. First up, we have our carbon fiber pole handlers that's going to replace your old sticky ones. Next, we have carbon fiber door handle covers. And lastly, we have window switch covers in carbon fiber. Now, if your car is like mine, it's going to replace these broken door handles that are no good anymore. We're going to add some carbon fiber accents. And overall, it's going to add a very nice touch to this interior door panel. Now, the only tools we'll need are a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx bit ratchet, and your drink of choice. I've got a Monster here, but Dr. Pepper will do the job as well. And of course, I'm going to show you guys exactly how we install them. They're not too difficult. So let's go ahead and let's get our interior trim off so that we can remove our first door panel. Using the trim removal tool, you'll work your way from the outside in and slowly pry up on the trim piece. Now with the trim removed, we can remove the 2 Torx bits on this rear section. The front section will have 3. Now using our hands, we can pop our door out of place. Guys, really quick, as I was doing the other side of the door here, I noticed that I had to pop this cover off. I had to remove this third Torx 20 or T20 bolt to make sure that the door card came off completely and I could put it back into place without having any issues. So you'll have 1, 2, 3 bolts that you need to remove on the back door cards. As you can see, I didn't remove that third screw on this side and it became a problem and I ended up breaking it. Well, it took a little bit more force than I had thought, but now we got this whole door card out. So now we need to disconnect our wires and components so that we can remove the door card completely. Now with the door card completely out, let's go ahead and head back to our little workbench. Now that we have our door card on our workbench here, this is where we get to the point of no return. Using a 1/8 drill bit, we need to drill the back sides of the screws for the door handle so that they can pop off. So there's going to be 2 here and 2 inside the door handle here, and we need to remove all 4. So let's go ahead and start with our first 2. Now that the 1/8 is done, we're going to go up to a 3/16. Now that we have the 3/16 done, we're going to take a 1/4 bit and we're going to go ahead and do the same. And just like that, using a flathead screwdriver, we can pop off that top section. And now that section is done and that part of the door handle can be removed. And now you guys can see we've got the top section of the door handle and the bottom section completely removed. So we go ahead and flip over our door card and our handle should come out nice and easily. There's one section and the top. And now guys, as always, we're going to clean up our door card to make sure our new handle is going into a nice and clean home. Guys, really quick, if you're new here and you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We just surpassed 3,000 subscribers and we are well on our way to the 5,000 subscriber mark where we're going to be doing a giveaway. Now this is the first I'm letting you guys know that we're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subs. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on any future content and you can see how to get entered. But let's go ahead and jump right into the install of these carbon fiber bits and let's get this interior looking mint. Alright, now using the provided 4 new screws we have, we're going to take our first section of the handle, get it nice into place, and then we can flip our door card around and screw in our 4 new screws into the new holes. Now that we've got our new handle nice and tight on there, we can take our top half and snap it right into place. And there is our replacement door handle. Now we can take the door handle cover here, remove our 3M tape here, slide it and stick it into place. Now before we go ahead and permanently stick that on and our new window switch cover, let's go ahead and get our door card reinstalled. So because our driver's side door does not have that pull handle, we're going to just go ahead and add the carbon fiber trim pieces there. But let's go ahead and get that thrown on, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, there you have it. We've got those 3 Amazon carbon fiber items installed on the E90 here. Now this is going to work on any of the E90X platform. So if you got an E91, 92, 93 or an E90, you definitely can install these on your car. Now overall, I do think they add a nice touch to the interior, and I think once I get the final suede with red stitching interior trim piece to remove all of that silver trim piece, the interior of my E90 is going to look mint. Now they are made custom to the order, so it's taking a little bit longer for those to get delivered, but once we get those delivered, we're going to be installing them on the E90 here. We're going to have the interior trim and most of the interior complete, and overall I think it's going to look incredible. So if you guys don't want to miss out on any of the future uploads on the E90, we got a few more interior bits showing up, and then we're going to go ahead and tackle the twin turbo upgrade so that we can go for 500 wheel horsepower in my 335i. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys are enjoying the videos, make sure you hit that like button so that I know you guys are enjoying the content, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see done on the E90X platform next. But that's going to wrap up today's video, so we will see you guys next time. Peace.